First of all, is defining what you think success is. Do you want a lot of money? Do you want a lot of status? Do you want people to think you're important? Do you want to have power? Do you want to have influence? Right? Do you want to have mobility and freedom? Do you want to be able to work from anywhere? Do you want to be able to have your laptop and internet connection and be good to go? Do you want time freedom? So I think in order to become successful, first and foremost, you have to define what you think success is going to be. And then once you do that, you have a much clearer understanding of what you need to be saying yes to, what opportunities you need to be pursuing, and what opportunities aren't worth your time anymore. And so defining it and then understanding what do I need to do to pursue it and what do I need to ignore so I don't get distracted in that pursuit.